Before we secure the motherboard to the computer case, I will give you a short run-through of the components we installed so far. This is the CPU. This is the AGP video card. This is our network card that we have installed instead of a modem. And here we have our sound card. This is the DIMM chip or RAM card we inserted in the first DIMM bank of 4 banks of the motherboard. You always want to insert the first DIMM chip you are going to install in the number 1 labeled DIMM bank and then continue with the next higher number of the bank. Now I flip the case to see how our installed components look from the back of the case. So here we have the connector for the monitor. Here is the jack for the network cable. If you have installed a modem, this would be the jack for the telephone line. And here is the sound card. This is the game port, and here are the jacks for the speakers, line, and microphone. As we move to the top of the case, we can see the rest of our connectors. There is a standard metal bezel that fits around the particular arrangement of the ports that comes with the motherboard. I align the metal bezel to the metal frame over the I/O ports of the motherboard and secure it with its screws. This will hold it in place.